So recording
Okay.
has started. Now mute your mic, please. So this way BODMAS rule works. So 3 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 5. So priority is given to the into sign. So 3 into 5 will be evaluated first. Then 2 is added to the product, that is 17. And in the second example, 2 plus 3 into 5. So parentheses are here. That is why 2 and 3, this expression is evaluated first. Then the result will be multiplied by 5. So it will give you 25. And over here, 2 minus 3 into 5 plus 4 upon 2. So into and division operators are on higher priority. And that is why, but into and slash both possess the same precedence. That is why they are operated on first come, first served. So here, 3 into 5 will be evaluated first, then slash will be evaluated. So 3 into 5, that is this is 15, and 4 upon 2, this is your 2. So minus 15 plus 2 minus 13, and again plus 2. So minus 13 plus 2, so minus 11. Now in this case, see here, uh, parenthesis 5 minus 4. Parentheses are evaluated first. So here from this parenthesis, you'll get 1. And 3 into then parenthesis and divided by 2. So into and division are on the same precedence, but they are processed on first come first served. So bracket is evaluated, and from bracket you are getting 1. So 3 into 1, this is 3, and 3 upon 2, that is 1.5, and 1.5 when added to 2, it will give you 3.5. So next, so here this is a very important thing. When you use exponential, so it works, or it is processed from right to left. So over here, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 2 is evaluated first. So it becomes 9, and 2 to the power 9 will give you 512. So this is the expansion, like 3 raised to power 2 is evaluated first, then 2 raised to power 9 is evaluated. Right. So if you use like, if you put parenthesis over here like this, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2, so 2 to the power 3 will give you 9, and 9 to the power 2 is your uh, 2 to the power is 3, 8. 8 to the power 2 is your 64. So it depends on the user how they can use, or they use the expression. How can they club the expression? So clubbing is entirely dependent on the user. So 2 into 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2. So over here we have put parentheses here, but in this case parentheses are put here. So 2 raised to power 3, it gives you 8, and 8 raised to power 2 will give you 64. So basically the expression is this, and it works when the expression is like this. The processing is done right to left always. But here, in case of modulus, processing is done from left to right, because Over here, the precedence of this is quite higher, and the precedence of this is quite low. So over here, this operator is processed on first come first served basis. So 16 modulo 5 will be evaluated first. So 16 modulo 5 will give 1. 1 modulo 3, again it will give you 1. See here. And somehow if you use the expression like this, right to left करने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो 16 modulo 5 modulo 3, if you evaluate 5 modulo 3 first and then 16, then it will give you 0, because 5 modulo 3 will give you 2 and 16 modulo 2 will give you 0, because there is no remainder. 16 modulus 2, there is no remainder. That is why it gives 0 here. So this is simple explanation of how to evaluate the modulus. So to evaluate the modulus, you should know how to denominator is multiplied to quotient plus remainder. So over here, quotient into denominator is evaluated first. See here, quotient and denominator evaluated first, and whatever result comes, and this result remainder is added. This way your numerator comes and remainder. So you have the equation like this, and if you change the equation and wanted to evaluate remainder, so the formula should be remainder is equal to numerator minus quotient into denominator. So this is the formula. But over here, see this. This is simply division, which gives the float quotient, and over here this is floor division. Means when you use this operator, the numerator is divided by the denominator, and whatever comes should be less or equal to the integer. Like if you use 14 upon 14 stroke 3, so it becomes what? 3 4 3 4 are 12, 12 point something. So 12 point something will give you 12 only, right? Over here, the simple form of this, you can put x modulo y is evaluated as x minus x floor division y into y. So the entire expression can be written like this or this. This is already given in your system. But if you want to evaluate it manually, then you can use, or expanded form, you can use x minus x floor division y into y. Now next, this is simple code for print. As you have been using print statement in Python programming since beginning. जैसे ही हमने पाइथन शुरू किया था, तो सबसे पहला स्टेटमेंट था हमारा प्रिंट ही था. तो प्रिंट में हमें किस तरीके से प्रिंट करना है, किस तरह से आपको एंड सैप मैनिपुलेटर्स यूज करने हैं, वो सारे के सारे यहाँ पर आपको दिखाए गए हैं. यहाँ पर करना क्या है कि अगर इफ यू प्रिंट सिंपली हेलो फ्रेंड, इट विल गिव हेलो फ्रेंड, एंड इफ यू प्रिंट लाइक print function, it prints like this. If you allow print, if you use print like allow and spaces, इसका मतलब ये है कि allow and then space, and it will print the subsequent statement in the same line. That is why after printing allow and space, the next print will come in the same line. So it will give you allow space us to review. Allow space us to review. So this is the output. Allow us to view. Again, content one string on another string, and we have used a manipulator SAP 2 hashes. It means content and on should be separated by hash. So here this is the output, content double hash on. So this operator will be inserted between these two words, two strings. This is simple as usual. The first statement was there. So print screen will print a screen on the screen. Now and helps to continue because see here we have used a space and we have used and with a space. So the subsequent statement or the next statement is printed in the same line, allow us to view. So SAP is a separator string. So simple print statement. So main focus should be on this statement and this statement. So these see these two statements carefully, because if you use and a space, the subsequent statement us to view will be printed in the same line. Over here, content and on, while printing content and on, the separator, that is two hashes, will be inserted between these two words. So content hash hash on. So this should be the output, and बाकी तो आप जानते हैं स्क्रीन, ये तो जैसे हम प्रिंट करते आ रहे हैं वही चीज है ये. बट मैंने कल आपको यानी लास्ट डे आपको ये बताया था कि प्रिंट इज द की वर्ड, बट नाउ प्रिंट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड एज आइडेंटिफायर. आपको लास्ट डे मैंने बताया था कि जो पहले आपके 30 जो वो थे कीवर्ड्स थे, and print was one of them. And in the next table, you must have seen that print is not the keyword. Print is a keyword as well as the identifier. That can also be treated as identifier, but you must avoid it. You should not use print as an identifier. Otherwise, the problem is nothing. As such problem तो कोई नहीं होगी, but the function of print will not be as it was. अगर आप ये कहते हैं कि print is equal to 15, it will take print is equal to 15, and when you say print, so now print is 15. So how come a print works like to print the values? No. So that is why you should not use this print statement as an identifier. Though in 3 plus versions of Python, print can also be used as identifier, but you should not use, otherwise you may face problems. Okay, so the next is so see here, this is simply the function of and separator. So see here, the first line says calculation, so calculation is printed, and over here 2 is an integer, so it is printed like 2, but plus is a string, so it is printed as it is, so plus appears here, and 5 is an integer, so 5 integer, it is printed as it is, so 5 is there, and equal is again a string, so it will be printed as it is. And now this is the expression 2 plus 7, so this is evaluated and the value of this expression would be 7, so it will print like 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. This may help you while creating the program like factorial. where I if I give 5 and आपसे मैं कहता हूँ कि calculate the factorial like 5 then into sign should come, then 4 then into sign should come. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and after printing 1 there should be equal sign printed, and after equal sign the factorial of 5 is printed. So it should be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So in this manner, the factorial of an integer is or should be printed. And if I say like print the table of an integer you input. If I say print the table of 5, so it should be like 5 then into sign, then 1 then equal, then 5. Next line 5 then into sign, then 2, then equal, then 10. So you should be able to use these separators and manipulator optimally. और इस चीज का आप यहाँ पर ध्यान रखें, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आप अगर आप देखें, नाउ सी हियर, ये तो हमने यहाँ समझा दिया। अब यहाँ पर आइए, वी आर यूजिंग सेपरेटर 43 and 10. They are three integers and I have used separator into। एक चीज और आप यहाँ पर देखिए कि हमने सेपरेटर नहीं, सेप एंड दोनों एक साथ तो यूज कर लिया है, तो दोनों ही यहाँ पर वर्क कर रहे हैं। द सेपरेटर ऑफ दीज इंटीजर्स इज इनटू साइन, and after printing the entire string it should print the space, and the next line output should also be printed in the same line. So it will print like 40 into 3 into 10, then space, and the next line is 40 into 3 into 10, that is 1200. So if I put equal sign here, it should have been 14 into 3 into 10 is equal to 1200. This should be the output of this print statement. Now, see this example. We have three characters M, D, and M, and we have used delimiter comma. So M, comma, D, comma, M, and we have used separator A. So what happens when you print it? So it becomes madam, because A is inserted between these two characters MG and DM. So it becomes madam. Okay, now here, this is again an example. A is equal to 50 and B is equal to 25. One more thing you should remember, that we have multiple assignment here in single line. So multiple assignment कैसे किया जाता है एक ही line के अंदर? तो this is the way. One assignment, semicolon, other assignment, semicolon, third assignment, semicolon, fourth assignment, and so on. So here A is 50 and B is 2. Students are here. Some students are away from the class but asking where is the class or holiday. So class is going on. You may join. Okay, now this segment, see A50 and B2, and see here you are printing the value of A and B. So obviously 50 and 2 will be printed, but the separator is slash. So it will be like 50/2. See here. and with equal sign. So the output of this statement will be a 50 upon 2 equal यहाँ तक 50 upon 2 equal. So this is the output of this statement. And in the next line, we have printed A upon B. So A is divided by B. So this becomes your 25. But 25 will be printed in the same line as we have printed A upon B. That is 50 upon 2 is equal to, देन यहां से आपका मिल जाएगा 25 एंड उसके बाद अगेन इसका मतलब ये है कि जो नेक्स्ट लाइन आउटपुट है वो भी कंटिन्यूएशन में रहेगा. सो दिस वे इट विल प्रिंट 50 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 2.5 to 25.0 and the rupees, because rupees in third statement, but due to and it is coming in the same line. तो इस तरीके से अगर पैटर्न प्रोग्राम्स हैं वहां पर आपको यही चीजें यूज करनी चाहिए. सेपरेटर क्या होना चाहिए एंड लाइन टर्मिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए, इस तरीके से आपको सेप एंड मैनिपुलेटर्स यूज करने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट over here this is the function of print. अभी तक हम print का ही function कर रहे थे. यहाँ पर we are considering the strings. So observe we have we have been using double quotes, we are using single quotes, we are using quotes within quotes. So let us see. So this is your simple string German castles. So it is in double quotes, so it is printed like German castles. In the second statement, we wanted that medieval should be printed preceded by quote sign. So see, the entire string is in single quotes because we wanted double quotes to be the part of this string. That is why we have taken this string in single quotes. And here see, evolved in medieval. So जो कोटेशन मार्क्स है, कोटेशन मार्क जो है वो आपका मेडिवल से पहले आ गया और हमारी स्ट्रिंग भी कंप्लीट हो गई. सो इफ सच काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन अराइजेस देन यू शुड यूज सिंगल कोट्स और डबल कोट्स as per the demand of the statement. The next statement, ages. I wanted the quote should appear after ages. So again, we have used single quotes. So the output should be like this, ages. Now, I wanted the string should be Ludwig's fantasy. Ludwig apostrophe S and fantasy. So over here, you must be observing that a single quote is appearing at the end of Ludwig. I mean apostrophe S I wanted to put. So Ludwig's fantasy, this entire string I have enclosed in double quotes, and the output of this should be like this, Ludwig's fantasy. And then simple printing the string castles. So you must be knowing that when you want to put quotes, single quotes along with the string, you how to use the quotes for printing these strings. You should have the idea of this. And from this slide, you must be having the idea of putting quotes along with the strings. Right? Okay, expression execution. This might be important for you because I have used A is equal to, again, multiple assignment. in single line. A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 5. And we are using what? Floor division. So floor division means you are dividing 12 by 5 and taking quotient as integer. Right. So if you divide 12 by 5, so it should be 2.4. As I have already told you that if you are using floor division sign like this, the quotient should be like, it should be either below the result or equals to the result. So if you divide 12 by 5, so it is like 2.4, but below or equal means you are using 2 only. अगर हम ऐसा कहते हैं, it means C is equal to floor A upon B, and so it gives 2 here. देखिए यहाँ पर 12 stroke 5 और फ्लोर 12 अपॉन 5, तो ये आएगा 2.5, तो सॉरी 2.4। तो इसका जो रिजल्ट है 12 स्ट्रोक 5, इसका रिजल्ट भी आपको 2 ही मिलना है। So see it very carefully कि how to use double strokes, or you can say the floor division. Clear? Now next example. A is equal to -12, B is equal to 5, A floor division B. इसका मतलब है less or equal. So if you divide this -12 by 5, so it should be 2.4, but less or equal. So 2.4 will reduces to -3. See here. So you can say this is the library function also. Floor is a library function. Similarly over here, the same will appear. 12 upon -5, this will also give you -3, because the quotient is 2.4, but since B is minus, so less or equal, so 2.4 का जो less होगा वो -3 होगा. So this way the expression is executed, right? So चूंकि हमारा जो है टाइम पहले निकल गया था, तो कोई बात नहीं है, हमने काफी हद तक आगे चले गए हैं, लेकिन अब जो नेक्स्ट होगा वो हम परसों करते हैं, क्योंकि आपको भी दूसरी क्लास में जाना है, बिकॉज टीचर को तो नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ टाइम ज़्यादा लग गया है। तो यहाँ पर आप क्लास छोड़ सकते हैं और दूसरी क्लास में जा सकते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
फिर काफी स्लाइड्स क्लासरूम पे डालेंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।